Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2014 Chevy Spark, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your turn signal in case if one of your turn signals is out. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. So this is the story in this car, is when you start the car. Okay, you look at the blinker and it blinks like normal intervals. I'm turning the left turn, it blinks normal, but if it blinks like this fast, it means it has some kind of problem and one of the bulbs is out. It could be the front, it could be the back. I'm gonna show you how to replace it on in case if the bulb is out on the front. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get in the car and pop the hood. Okay, so we pop the hood, find the latch, raise the hood up and put the hood on the stand. Like this, very simple. Okay, so I'll show you on this side. Over here we have turn signals right here. Okay, it's right here. So to remove it, you just have to spin the connector. Like this. Spin it and pull out the bulb. Pull it out, simple. It will be orange color, so you can't go wrong. Then when you have a bulb and you have to remove it, you just pull it off with your fingers. Okay. You could use gloves. Some people say that it's better to use gloves. I don't know if that's true, but it's up to you. So once you're done, you go to the parts store, get another replacement bulb, and same way you took it out, same way put it back in. Click it in. After that, wiggle the bulb in and spin it in. Lock it into position. It doesn't have to wiggle, nothing like that. That's it. You get the bulb in, and when the bulb is out, it goes out like this. Okay, so spin it. And you're all set. Okay, so this is how you change the bulb. As you can see, it's a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. And yeah, if this helps, press like and have a great day.